This is a tree we picked up last year. When I went to go pick it up, I thought it was like, okay, cool, 1 box. No, it was 2. Thinking it's a big tree, but we're about to find out right now. Alright, I did my part. Desi can do the rest. I love your outfit.
Thank you. I got ready for this video specifically. Did like a full face. So let me tell you guys what we got here. Don't look at my hair. Okay.
You don't want me to look where?
I don't want you to look at my hair.
Your hair.
Okay, so these are all our ornaments from last year. We left our earthier ones put away because we're not going to use the earthier ones, but these are all actually my mom's ornaments that she, you know, passed down to me. And she's extra bougie because these are from RH, Mom. We are going to be going with a theme that has pops of deep reds. Usually I'm a more neutral person, but this year I wanted to do something a little bit more traditional. I say traditional because I'm not going all the way, but just like baby steps. Over here, come. These are our new ornaments that we got this year. So look how big this one is. These are fillers for the inside to make the tree look more full. And then we have these other size. We also picked these up. And then we got these. These are all from Aldik, these red pops here. And we also got new cool lights. These reminds me of lights that I used to decorate my room with when I was a kid. They're very beautiful and pretty, and we thought we could like cascade them down the tree, so that's kind of the plan here. Basically all our ornaments are from RH, Home Goods, last year a lot of Home Goods, and Aldik. And then there's cannoli baking for 50.
Do it.
Balls, it's my fault. These are the twinkling lights that everyone asks 500,000 questions about. They're LED lights, so they look like twinkling, beautiful stars. They don't look like these traditional Christmas lights. They're much more beautiful, and they don't give off heat, so it's good if you have a real tree, you know, you're afraid of heat type of situation with the plants.
Because these ones?
They're hot.
These get hot. They're like incandescent bulbs.
The only problem I have with them is, like, you know, normal lights, you can connect one string to another string to another string. These, you cannot. So you end up having, like, to need a lot of extra plugs. And did you make the top not straight on purpose?
I couldn't reach it.
I thought I made it straight, did I not?
I didn't touch it. I couldn't reach it.
Do you need to get on my shoulders?
Just if I fall, make sure that you're there.
I'll be filming it for sure.
Need the other ladder to reach the top for this.
The real ladder.
Desi and her mom have this, they do the exact same thing. They don't ask for anything. They just say, I think we need this. It would
But
be
we
nice
look at
if it was here.
We look at you and we...
What does that do for me?
Double those for you.
You know what's happening here.
Oh, I know exactly what's happening. Patty, would you like me to get the ladder for
Can you
you?
please get it for me?
Of course, it would be my
Oh,
pleasure.
thank you so much. You're
so
such an
kind.
angel.
Such a kind son-in-law.
So what's the game plan, Mom?
I gotta go on the top.
Mom, have you
Put the top
signed
down.
the insurance forms? Just
The-
in case
the liability
that we're not
waiver?
liable if something
The
happens.
workers come.
See, I'm supervising right now, making sure everything's okay. Nothing bad goes down. If she falls, I'm right here just like...
That was a late reaction.
This was a drill. It's not. This is my mom. This is where she really, I mean, she shines through the whole process. Because she's really good at decorating trees, but when it comes to lighting the tree, she has a very professional technique. I mean, she goes through every branch, around every branch.
It's gonna be so beautiful.
It's done, cannoli.
Just like you.
Just wrap her, huh?
Those lights took my mom a long time. I mean, it's because of how good she does it, that's why. We got these balls.
They can be like a garland.
That's what I'm thinking, like a garland.
You're like a little parrot. Everything she says.
Yeah, because I'm agreeing with her genius. I'm just here to agree and to support. And to learn so that I could do this. Although I probably still can't do lights like her.
What are you doing?
I'm taking off all the little tags. All the money tags. Those were pricey. So Mom, what's your strategy here? Do you start with the biggest ornaments first?
Yes, to cover the big spots, like deep holes.
Yeah.
So
big ornaments first.
And they don't need to be all the way at the bottom. We don't need to go by size. We just look for the big open spots and we put them there. I love these ones.
The glass ones? The lights like shine through them really pretty. The icicles from last year. These are like some of our faves. I like that we're making it look like snowy. You know what I mean? Like it's snowy and jolly, right? Imagine a little train around the bottom. Almost forgot the pine cones. This is our whole
so
winter
beautiful.
wonderland.
Right there. No. Right. Right below. Right there.
Here.
Yeah, right there.
It's crazy because when you look at something through a phone, you could see more than when you can to the eye. So we always look through the phone, and this goes for makeup, for everything.
So how many trees do we have, Patty?
3, and not including the ones outside. So we have quite a few trees, and this is the winter wonderland style, and the other one is the very Christmas red color that gives a little bit more of the Christmas spirit. And then my daughter wants one for herself in the bedroom, so she just wants lights. So still a lot more things to do in the house, but when I come back, they can wait.